Hey there, Weight Watchers! Are you ready to shed those pounds fast with some super easy meal prep tips? You've come to the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to prepare delicious, healthy meals that'll help you hit your weight loss goals without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's jump right in. First things first, plan your meals. Grab a pen and paper or use a meal planning app and jot down what you're going to eat for the week. Trust me, having a plan makes it way easier to stay on track. Plus, it cuts down on those last-minute takeout temptations. Next up, batch cooking is your new best friend. Pick 1 or 2 days a week to cook large batches of your favorite healthy dishes. Think grilled chicken, roasted veggies, or a big pot of quinoa. Store them in individual containers, and boom, you've got ready-to-eat meals all week long. Number 3, mix and match. By preparing a variety of ingredients, you can mix and match them throughout the week. One day, it's a quinoa salad. The next day, it's chicken stir-fry. This keeps your meals interesting and your taste buds happy. Don't forget about snacks. Keep healthy snacks handy, like pre-cut veggies, fruit, or a handful of nuts. When hunger strikes, you'll have nutritious options ready to go. Say goodbye to those vending machine cravings. Tip number 5, use a slow cooker. Throw in some lean protein, veggies, and spices before you head out the door in the morning. When you come back, you've got a delicious, low-calorie meal waiting for you. It's like having your own personal chef. And finally, portion control. Use smaller plates and containers to help manage your portions. It's a simple trick, but oh so effective. Remember, even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you eat too much. So there you have it, folks. 6 easy meal prep tips to help you shed those pounds fast. Remember to plan your meals, batch cook, mix and match ingredients, keep healthy snacks handy, use a slow cooker, and control your portions. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy meal prepping.